This is one of my first tools, bought to use for my resin and other arts and crafts projects. This sanding machine demonstrated by my husband is one of my favorite tools. Sanding pad used to sand the sharp edges and roughing the surfaces, whereas the higher grit sandpapers used to make surface more smooth. A dust collector came with this sanding machine, which make environment clean and dust-free. It is highly recommended to wear face mask and glasses while using it. It came with a detachable handle which used to grip the sanding machine and make it more comfortable and grippy while using it. Now we try to use it very first time. Its start and stop button is made with rubber and was very soft. Such type of tools must bought for every DIY resin art starter.